Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to hide notch in Samsung Galaxy A30.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Samsung Galaxy A series smartphones such as Galaxy A10, Galaxy A20, Galaxy A30, etc. has a notch. For some reason, if you don't like the notch, here is the guide to hide notch in Samsung Galaxy A30. First, go to Settings. From Settings, tap on Display. From Display Settings, find the option Full Screen Apps. Tap on it. Then in the upper right corner, you will see 3 dots in vertical manner. Tap on it. You will see Advanced Settings. Tap on this. Here you will find an option Hide Camera Cutout, which is disabled. Toggle up this button to enable it. And you can see it will hide the notch with digital black strip. You can toggle off Hide Camera Cutout to revert back to full screen. In this way, you can hide notch in Samsung Galaxy A30. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.